Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 16th, and I'm going to be analyzing the euro yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So, on the euro yen, I'm definitely still very bullish. I think this looks like a 1, 2, 3, and I can also see the subdivisions in here. It looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave 3. So, I do think we are getting very close to beginning a wave 4, which would be a very, very large correction, and a wave 5. Potentially, this wave 4 alone could last, 2/3 of a year, so potentially it would be a very big move down on the shorter time frames. Heading down to the weekly time frame, the whole thing is that we do not have a breaker structure down. We really do not have any significant lower highs yet either. So there's really no proof yet that this wave 3 really is over. It could be getting over, and it could potentially make a lower high and go down and break structure, but so far has not done so yet. Heading down to the daily time frame, this push down, like I've been saying, still looks like it could be a wave A. I still think this push up right here could potentially turn into a wave B. I still think this potentially could go down for a wave C, and maybe even turn into the big wave 4 like I was explaining on the weekly and monthly, which would actually take it all the way down below these lows. We don't really have any proof of that yet, but I'm definitely keeping an eye out for this wave B scenario on the shorter time frames. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, really doesn't look that convincing that it's really going down. I think this is potentially a wave A, maybe. I still think this is potentially maybe a wave A of B. Kind of looks to me like it could go up again, and this actually could be an A, B, C of wave B. Then maybe go up, take out these highs, bounce off a fib level, and go down and make the bigger wave C like I showed on the daily time frame. So, keeping all that in mind, let's head down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I have to notice that this is kind of a three-way pattern down. I honestly wouldn't be surprised at this point if it did start another uptrend, which would go up and take out these highs. I think that buying the dip on the yen pairs has been a really, really good strategy for the past 4 years, and I think it's going to continue to be a good strategy. So, buying these big pullbacks is definitely been very, very profitable for a very, very long time on these yen pairs, and I think it's going to continue to be profitable at least until we can identify that this really is the end of a wave 3 on like the weekly and monthly time frame, which we definitely have not been able to do so yet. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live trading sessions, and it also gives you access to all of my swing trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.